So here's one more example. Did you notice that the triangle looks a little bit different? That's because the textbook people try to mess with your mind, because the right angle, last time, it was there. But what they've done is they've turned the thing around. So it's actually here. That's the right angle. So what I like to do is I like to redraw it so it looks the same as the rest of them. So what you can do, you can kind of twist it around so it looks like that. Right? So that's x unknown, y is 60, and r is 100. See that? So you can kind of rotate it so that it looks the way you normally see it. So the long side across from the right angle is 100. Right? And how does that work again? You have to kind of turn it, well, I don't know. You have to be careful, because if you do it wrong, it's not so good. So what did I do? I had it turned around this way, so that y was 60, r was 100, this was unknown. Okay, so y equals 60, r equals 100, x is unknown. There, now we're ready to go. So this makes more sense, because this is just like example 2. Because we knew y and we knew r, but we didn't know x. So we can say x squared plus y squared equals r squared, and then we get rid of that. So x squared plus y squared minus y squared equals r squared minus y squared. I'm doing it quickly because it's just like the last example. Boop, boop. Well, x squared equals r squared minus y squared. We know that r is equal to 100. So that's 100 squared minus 60 squared. So I can do that with my calculator too. 100 squared minus 60 squared. Alright, 100 squared minus 60 squared equals that, 6400. Okay, 6400. X squared is equal to 6400. Okay, so x is equal to the square root of 6400. You know what the square root of 64 is? 8. Something like that. So then if I were to take this square root of that number, what's it going to give me? 80. So it's 80. So this equals 80. There. So there you go. So even though they twist the triangle around, as long as you rotate it back to the way that you're used to, you can solve the problem just as easily as before. That's example 3 done.